Now, this is a video just for the introductory session in data analytics that we've got posted online now. But this is really for you to identify whether or not this is a step you want to take and go on further with us. Many people, they hear the word data analytics and they think, oh, mathematics. And it's not a mathematics course. You harness the computer to do that bit for you. And then, of course, in my wider video, we were speaking about codification of problems and things like that. Yes, there's going to be some programming, but I'll show you some neat little shortcuts to get through that, but you'll never know unless you try it. And so the introductory session is there to see if you'd like the R framework and can work in the way that's required for it. I would say many people will like it and want to do the remainder of the course. My students smile at the end of their degree and tell me the data analytics and machine learning is some of the funnest stuff they've learned on the degree. They often go to do masters to study it further as well. So it's like they were like you right now, not sure whether they wanted to undertake it. Come along, at least try the first session and see how you get on. You're not committed in any way.